You will receive a pack of Aussie Aussome Volume Styling Hair Gel, 7 ounces bottle. The Aussie Story. Our story began on a trip down under, where a lucky encounter with an organic chemist led us to discover the power of Australian botanicals to protect and restore hair from the hot sun and salty sea. This exciting secret was just too good to keep, so we imported goodies like bamboo extract and Australian Kakadu plum to create a gel that gives you amazing volume and shine. Today, we're still exploring amazing new ways to use the powerful plant magic of our indigenous ingredients to give you the awesome hair you've always dreamed of. Add texture and body to your strands with Headstrong Volume Texturizing Hair Gel. Made with Australian Aloe, Jojoba Oil, and Sea Kelp, this gel will add texture, body and sheen to your strands. Top reviews from the United States. Works well on fine hair. This product delivers. Works very well on fine hair and definitely adds volume but no weight to hair. Will not be without this. Washes out easily and can apply and let it air dry or use a dryer with good results. Use Aussie Volume Shampoo also. This brand works so well for shorter cuts.